Hi, my lovely Leos. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Leos, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of January 2022. So, yeah, before we begin, let me wish you a very, very happy new year, guys. May this year be full of health, wealth, prosperity, love, abundance, peace, bliss. Definitely lot of health, guys. That's what is needed currently. Yes. And yeah, with that, we'll start with this reading. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other sign in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Leos, while shuffling for your energy, I got two energies. One thing for sure I can say is someone is going to enter into a new relationship, a new soulmate kind of a relationship. Someone will start dating someone here, and it's going to turn into a long term one, forever kind of a relationship, okay? That is I'm very sure about, okay? Second thing what I was connecting to was someone might have gone through or is going through or might go through some sort of deception, okay? Some sort of sneakiness, some sort of broken trust over here, which will kind of make you feel very hurt, okay? You'll be really hurt because someone is going to behave in a way that you had not expected coming from that person, okay? Someone who you really trusted kind of let you down. That's the kind of energy I was connecting to very strongly. Lot of fives I saw Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles. I think I saw Five of um wands as well. Yeah, basically Seven of Swords is what I definitely saw. So yes, definitely some sort of broken trust is what I am seeing in the energy. So just be a little mindful and careful, guys, okay? Yeah, so with that, let's begin and see what messages we have for you at the start of the year. Yep, Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Some of you guys waiting for something to come in. There you go, Five of Pentacles. Now guys, I feel that this could be at your workplace also, so just be a little mindful, careful. King of Cups, definitely someone is someone is madly in love with. There you go, Knight of Cups, Eight of Wands. Yeah, speedy communication. Yeah, I'll talk about this. Queen of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Ten of Cups repeated again. Yes, guys, definitely someone is entering into a soulmate kind of a relationship. So guys, I'll begin with your overall energy. Your overall energy has shown up as Ten of Raphael, which is Ten of Cups in conventional tarot, and it has shown up twice. It's a confirmation. Love and blessings fill your life. Harmonious relationships with family members. Happily ever after. Wow, just look at how beautiful this card is, okay? I hope you can see it. So guys, I am and there is Ace of Cups. Yeah, confirmation and like stamped, okay? So I am very sure, guys, some of you guys are going to end up end up meeting their soulmate, okay? They're going to end up meeting their forever kind of a person or a relationship, and it's a very beautiful energy. This bond is going to be full of love. That person is going to be madly deeply in love with you, or you will be madly and deeply in love with that person, and you guys are going to be a perfect match for each other, okay? Like you are meant to be together. You are meant to be coming together to spend your life together in this 3D world in this lifetime, okay? That kind of energy I'm getting. Anyway guys, moving to your tarot. So for some of you guys, like I said, there's going to be some wish fulfillment in terms of relationship. I feel that you guys, I really feel that someone is headed in a very strong manner, in a very determined manner towards you, okay? This person is like so in love with you, like they are like, what do we say, they are seeing the seeing the world or seeing you with the rose tinted glasses, or you are madly in love with someone is what I'm seeing. Wish fulfillment for some of you guys, they are like in that space, or you are in that space wherein you are like sitting in the energy of gosh, I don't need anything from life or from God anymore. Okay, that kind of energy I'm getting. For some of you guys are waiting to travel. Okay, you're just waiting to travel somewhere, maybe for work purpose, maybe for seeing someone. Okay, or this could be even this energy is waiting to come and see you. Okay, or you waiting to go and meet them. Anyway, but this could be travel for work purposes also, or for some personal reasons also, but definitely travel is in cards for some of you guys. There's a lot of communication in cards that I'm seeing over here. Lot of communication for some of you guys. There is something that you're patiently waiting for. Okay, like, okay, it's just a matter of time and I'm flying, that kind of energy. Some of you guys might be traveling for work purposes also. Maybe you are shifting bases to another city, another country altogether. Okay, Leos, it could be an overseas travel also. Okay, overseas is what I'm feeling strongly. Okay, some of you guys are waiting for your ships to sail in. You're just waiting for the right time is what I'm seeing over here. I definitely want to clarify the Five of Pentacles. Now this Five of Pentacles is what I'm seeing is someone is feeling definitely let down by someone over here. Okay, I want to clarify, and this is the energy that I was connecting very strongly to while pre-shuffling. Okay, broken trust is what I mentioned, right? So let's see what this Five of Pentacles is all about. Okay, too many cards. Let me keep them back. Too many cards. So guys, this is very interesting. The Five of Pentacles is clarified by Four of Cups and King of Wands. Now I feel that for some of you guys, you are stuck at workplace for some reasons. You're not able to make progress in workplace, maybe because of some hostile environment, some non-cooperation from fellow team members, fellow mates. That could be the case. But whatever it is, you're really feeling stuck and you're not able to move ahead. You're not able to pursue your career the way you want. Okay, pursue your passion, pursue your ambition, or you're not able to progress in your work the way you want. Okay, and that's kind of bringing your morale down. It's kind of making you feel down. You're kind of waiting for your time. Okay, you're just waiting for the right opportunity, right time. I also feel that some of you guys are contemplating switching the job if that you're currently in. Okay, and you're kind of waiting for the right opportunity to come in is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, it's like the current workplace that you are into, it's not allowing you to be it's not giving you the kind of environment to be at your creative best. Okay, or to perform at your best is what I'm getting, Leos. There is some sort of unhealthy environment, unhealthy energies around is what I'm getting, which is kind of really pulling your energies down and you're feeling really stuck over here. Okay, really stuck is what I'm getting. See this Seven of Pentacles, see this Four of Cups energy, how this person is like sitting with head in his hands, and there is someone who is trying to cheer up this person. Okay, someone is trying to kind of bring in new energies, trying to divert his mind, but he's just not looking there. Okay, he's just completely lost in his own world. Okay, and this definitely is taking me to this Five of Pentacles energy. Something at workplace is bothering you guys is what I'm seeing over here. Yeah, and you're just waiting for something, waiting for your right time is what I'm getting, guys. Yeah, deception was something which was strongly coming through in your overall energy, guys. There is Four of Swords also. Now when I was shuffling, I was connecting to such a strong deception that I realized that you're going to just cut cords with someone. Okay, you're just going to let go of that relationship, if you're going to let go of that job, if it is being too toxic for you, too difficult for you to handle. You're just feeling very badly stuck is what I'm getting over here. Okay, you guys, as an advice, I'll tell you that please rest it out, take a lot of naps, sleep well, reboot your energies is what I'm getting. Okay, you're kind of sleeping, eating this energy is what I'm getting, and you really need to rest out. Okay, cut the ties, cut the cords. Okay, let go of the negativity, and just, you know, if I'll say that if a workplace is not serving you, if a relationship is not serving you, guys, just let it go. Okay, it's not be all and end all. Okay, there are definitely different opportunities lying up for you if you let go of this. Okay, so yes, please make sure that you take care of your mental health first and foremost, because that directly affects your physical health and other aspects of your life. So don't let that happen, guys. I also feel that some of you guys have blocked someone here. There is blocked communication for some of you guys. You might have blocked them from social media, WhatsApp. Not talking to someone is what I'm seeing. Okay, that's the kind of energies also what I'm connecting to. For some of you guys, there is some sort of social gathering over here. It's anyway holiday season, so you guys might end up your friends, family. You might travel from one place to another to meet each other. There could be overseas travel also, coming from other country to or going to other country to visit your family members, friends is what I'm seeing, because there is 8 of Wands. A lot of there's a lot of communication. There is overseas travel also, and this 3 of Cups is telling me celebrations. For some of you guys, this celebration could be related to the relationship. Okay, you guys might get engaged, you guys might get married also, but I think marriage will be somewhere down the line. Right now I feel that you guys might just get engaged is what I'm seeing over here. There is King of Wands, and there is Queen. There is Queen of Wands. There is this power couple. There is this soulmate energy. Okay, soulmate energy showing up straight away. This relationship is going to be a lot of love and passion is what I'm seeing. Okay, you guys are going to be very much passionate towards each other. There's going to be a lot of communication happening between these two people. Okay, is what I'm seeing straight away. Yeah, very beautiful energies, very different reading. This was Leo's. It's a blend. There are 2 different energies straight away in this reading. Okay, one is going through something at professional front, one is going through major transformation at relationship front is what I'm seeing. Yeah, let's pull out some messages for you guys from this beautiful deck of my beautiful and favorite deck of mine. Let's see what we have for my lovely Leos. Okay. A new romantic cycle begins. Now, do I really need to explain this again? Like I said at the beginning only, that I have no doubts about this, and this is yet confirmed again. Your dreams need practical plans, guys. Whatever you are waiting for, if you are waiting for something, make sure that you have plan in place. You have your action steps thought very clearly in place. Okay, and even if you're stuck at workplace, and or you're stuck in any situation for that matter, make sure that you have some action plans ready, guys, to come out of that energy. Okay, yeah, let's see one more message for you guys, and then we'll move to charms. Okay, you and your loved ones are safe. Wow, what a lovely message. And at the bottom is believe in the impossible. So whoever is kind of feeling stuck, guys, don't give up. Believe in the impossibles. Good times will come, bad times will end. Okay, so just hang in there and keep your plan B ready. So let's pull some charms to conclude this reading. I'll take this. Letter H. Now this initial had come out for Cancerian reading as well. I had just done Cancerian reading. If at all you have Cancer in your charts, yeah, Paris was also there. Paris has come up twice, guys, by the way. Cancerian also had Paris, and there is 8 of Wands also here, right? So definitely overseas travel for some of you guys, and if some of you guys are getting into a romantic relationship, Paris is anyway a symbol of love. Star card, yes, some of you guys need to heal from something. 4 of Wands energy, like I said, just rest it out, guys. Take good care of yourself. Take time to heal. Only then will you be able to think rationally. Okay, Death card, okay. This is a Scorpion energy. It strongly says that you need to put an end to something. Something needs to come to a closure, or something will come to closure, is what I'm getting over here. Believe in love, of course. Of course, a new relationship is on your way, like headstrong manner. And why wouldn't you believe in love then? Lovely, the charm itself says lovely. Someone is really adoring you, finding you lovely, is what I'll say. Strong is beautiful. Yeah, you are a Leo. Leo energy, guys. You are anyway, you anyway signifies strength, okay. Leo signifies strength. So yeah, strong is beautiful, and I'm so proud of you. Cat. Whenever I get this charm, I have always said that this charm talks about, or rather, cat always tells me to be, someone who doesn't get attached to a situation, okay, or a person or anything. Learn the art of detaching, okay. Let go of things, okay. Learn to just let go, detach yourself from some things, and take life as it comes, accept it as it comes, okay. And I'm sure things will fall in place. It's a very significant message for you guys at this moment of time, is what I'm seeing. Was this over here, or I don't know, okay. By the way, guys, there are some charms that were exactly repeated in Cancerian reading. So if you have Cancer in your charts, or if you are dealing with a fellow Cancerian, please do check out that, okay. Now, okay, this is camel. I think Cancerian had horse, my bad. Okay, so camel is talking about, or rather it is telling me to conserve your energies, or conserve your resources, okay. For a rainy day, make sure that you are mindful of your expenses, you're saving your ample, and you are spending cautiously, okay. And even in terms of energies, okay, in spiritual language, make sure that you are giving energy to the right people, okay, or to the right things, and you are not just wasting your precious energy on some toxicity, toxic people, toxic energies, okay. So just be mindful of that. So Leos, I'll leave it at that. It was a very interesting reading. If any of this was your story, if any of this resonates with you, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop comments, share your experiences. Do let me know how you like this pattern of the reading, okay. Share your honest feedback, and I'll definitely think about it, okay. And last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.